Global Day of Prayer London and Dry Bones Trust is calling on all evangelists to come to a special night of prayer May 22nd at the Emmanuel Centre in Westminster, London. As momentum builds towards the National Day of Prayer and Worship at Wembley Stadium September 29th, evangelists from every denomination and network are being invited to come together to pray for a united vision of evangelism in 2013. Itinerant evangelist with the ministry Groundbreakers, Jonathan Holton, strongly believes in the importance of united prayer for national transformation.
You know, as an evangelist, I want to see those people from that prayer meeting stand up and take the gospel out into their community. Prayer is one thing, but when we put it into action, it's going to be phenomenal what God can do with that.
And national evangelist Mark Ritchie is encouraging all evangelists to join him for this night of prayer.
The opportunity to be shoulder to shoulder, standing alongside prayer warriors, people who've got a huge passion to see our nation turned around. It's a great night and it's one that you really can't miss.
So all evangelists, outreach teams, intercessors and all who love prayer are invited to this strategic gathering at the Emmanuel Centre on Marsham Street in Westminster, London from 7 to 10 p.m, May 22nd.